Hello! Today we are going to make traditional Moroccan spiced ground meat, kefta. In a large bowl, place the ground meat. Add finely chopped parsley, finely chopped cilantro, olive oil, ground ginger, ground cumin, paprika, ground coriander, pepper, salt, and grated onion. Mix all the ingredients until well incorporated. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and place in the fridge for at least 30 minutes for the meat to absorb all the flavors. Time to cook the kefta. Shape the kefta into cylinders the size of a finger. Heat a grilling pan on medium heat, and once ready, place the kefta. Grill the first side for 3 to 4 minutes, then turn the kefta over and grill the second side. Once done, serve the kefta immediately with bread or some vegetable side dish. Check this out! Flavorful, moist, and just perfect. Bon appétit!